Magandang buhay sa lahat. Nagbahagi ng nakakamanghang photos, si Liza Soberano. Ito ang pang-second day, ganap nito, sa Coron, Palawan. Deserve ni Hopi, ang ganitong ganap. Wala pa din talagang tatalo, sa kagandahan nito. Lalo tuloy siyang gumaganda, at sumay-sexy, sa pagdaan ng mga taon. Samantala, Enrique Hill, nagbahagi din, ng kanyang IG story. Kung saan, dadalo muli si Enrique Hill, sa pangalawang pagkakataon, sa San Francisco Bay Area. NBA All-Star Weekend, on February 14 to 16, 2025. Ito talaga, ang hilig ni Kay nito. Samantala, ayon pa sa recent interview, ni Liza Soberano. We are trying to come up with a concept that we can do together in the future. I cannot guarantee it is in the next year. The concept need to be fleshed out. It is something new. Liza Soberano, developing film concept with Enrique Hill. Tiyak na ang pagbabalik ng Lizken sa limelight sa susunod na taon. Pero sa private life, very comfortable ang samahan ng dalawa as a couple. Trust, love, understanding, and of course, ang communication nila pareho sa isa't isa ay di nawawala.
If you're someone who needs to hear this, take a breath. For those who put others first when their own world's a mess. For anyone who feels like they're near the end, this one's